Ever feel like you're just pushing dirt around instead of actually cleaning? Well, it's time to meet your new secret weapon in the battle against dirt and grime, the Ultra Clean Pro Vacuum Cleaner. Imagine a world where your floors are always spotless, dust bunnies are a thing of the past, and you can finally conquer those tricky corners and crevices. Welcome to the reality of the Ultra Clean Pro. This isn't just any vacuum cleaner. It's a revolution in cleaning technology. Firstly, its power is unparalleled. With the Ultra Clean Pro, you're not just cleaning, you're harnessing the might of a cyclone. The suction is so potent, it can lift even the most stubborn dirt and debris from your floors and carpets. But power is nothing without precision, and that's where the Ultra Clean Pro's advanced filtration system comes in. It captures and contains microscopic dust particles, allergens, and bacteria, giving you a deeper, healthier clean. The Ultra Clean Pro is also a master of versatility. Whether you're tackling hardwood, carpet, or tile, this vacuum cleaner adapts to your needs. Its multi-surface cleaning head transitions seamlessly from one surface to another, ensuring optimal performance on all floor types. And let's not forget about ease of use. The Ultra Clean Pro is designed with your comfort in mind. It's lightweight, maneuverable, and easy to empty, making your cleaning routine a breeze. Listen to what satisfied customer Jane had to say. "I've owned many vacuum cleaners in my life, but nothing compares to the Ultra Clean Pro. It's like having a professional cleaning service at my fingertips. So why wait? It's time to transform your cleaning routine. Say goodbye to ineffective cleaning and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. Make the Ultra Clean Pro your secret weapon against dirt and grime. You owe it to your home, to your family, and to yourself. So don't delay. Take the first step towards a cleaner home today. Experience the difference with Ultra Clean Pro. Please kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Use the link in the description to get some great and affordable vacuums. Thank you.